Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
SOP should be connecting to a particular aim, why you want to now, why you want to do. It should show a flow. Like,
Correct.
okay, I have done BCom, now why you want to do MBA.
That's good. That's
That
good.
was a general perspective. Just because you are from commerce, you should go for finance.
So hi guys, welcome to the Real Humans of Preschool. Today we are in conversation with Simran, who's coming to us from Trichy, which is like I think way down south. Once you had your scores, you got the calls. Then what did you do for your interview preparation?
So actually, I got some really good calls. So I was quite of very excited, and I was quite of nervous also. Like, what? Maybe I won't be able to make it. So that nervousness comes with the better the
Correct.
call you get, the more nervous you get, right? What if I screw this up? And all those kind of things are also there. So like after giving my exams and all that, I worked there for some time. But in late January, I came home. I came Delhi.
Okay.
So I took work from home. So my mentor over there in that startup, my mentor was quite supportive. He actually more than me, he wanted me to do that MBA.
Very
He was
nice.
that supportive. He was like, you go for this, you go for this. So yeah, I took off, and like the work from home was there. I used to work, but it was not much of work, if I say so. Like, yeah, it was not much of work. So I came back to Delhi. So in Delhi, I used to like, there are certain teachers, the teachers who taught me in the first year.
Yeah.
I met them, and with them only I prepared for my interviews and all that.
Very
And
good.
I told them, okay, these calls I have. I told them all the calls which I was having at that point of time. I told them, and then they helped me. Then they made me a proper chart. Like, okay, you go through this. You have to cover all these topics and all that. Then later on, I joined one of the preparation institute also. So they actually helped me with the interviews and all.
Great. So then tell me, what kind of interview questions were you asked?
It's quite a time. I don't remember properly. So like interview questions were mostly from my background only. So I'm from commerce background. So there were questions from economics. There were questions from like accounting and all that. What is your working capital? Okay, they gave me some real life, like in I'm Lucknow interview, they gave me some real life situation. Okay, this is the case. I am having a business. I don't remember the question properly, but it was more like I'm having some business and some capital, some figures they gave me. So like they wanted me to find out working capital and all the how you are going to manage it. So those kind of questions were more like technical questions were there in I am Lucknow. In FMS Delhi, it was more about me. So it was followed by my GD. So the GD which we went through, it was followed by my GD. And apparently the professor who was taking interview in FMS Delhi, he was knowing professors from my college.
Okay.
So a little bit gossip about, a little bit talk about, like that professor, that professor.
Interesting.
And then when I was not able to answer, they were like, "Du, you are from DU. You have not studied this. I know he would have taught you this." So it turned into a little bit grilling just because they know my professors. But then I told them, okay, like, yeah, then I told them, like, I took a break and I don't remember that much. Then they were like, that is not an excuse, girl. That is not an excuse of not remembering things. Yeah, but FMS interview was pretty chilled and pretty fun. Like, though they grilled me, but it was fun. I am Lucknow was technical. My cap was the best. Like, I am here, proves only. Cap was the best. There was some, it was more of general knowledge. So, like, I don't remember properly, but there was some issue happening at that particular point of time. They talked mostly about that issue only.
Okay.
So yeah, all my interviews I gave in Delhi only. So it was in Radisson, and they talked about general knowledge, and they talked about me. Okay, you have done this and all that, and what have you done for that 1 year? Those kind of a questions, bio and
Interesting.
my.
That's interesting. That's really nice. And for your FMS, you also have an SOP to write. So how did you work on your SOP? Like what all factors did you write there?
So SOP should be connecting, like I believe, like SOP should be connecting to a particular aim. Why you want to now? Why you want to do? Okay, you have done all this in your life. Now, why you want to do your MBA? So for FMS, it was very like it should show a flow. Like,
Correct.
okay, I have done BCom. Now, why you want to do MBA?
Hmm.
So I just try to link all the things. Like I have done my BCom, I was
Correct.
from commerce.
Hmm.
Maybe like at that point of time I was thinking that I'll go in MBA finance.
Hmm.
So I tried to link it that I am from commerce background, I'll be doing MBA finance, and I have real life experience of the startup and all that.
Hmm.
My academic learning and my experience are not enough. Maybe MBA will be the
Right.
thing, like the missing link which I want. So MBA will help me equip my classroom learning as well as my experience to something meaningful. That's how the whole SOP went through.
So you were intending to go in for finance, and now you're looking up for what? So you're planning to do marketing right now?
Like I thought, that's what I'm saying. Like because I'm from commerce background, that was a general perspective. Like, okay, you are from commerce, you should go for MBA finance.
Hmm.
But no, 3 years of commerce was enough. Now I don't think so that I want to do that anymore. Okay. So like even in my first year only, I was knowing that like, oh, I'm doing marketing. I'm not going for,
Wow.
though I scored like in my own scores, my highest score was in finance only, like accounting only. Though I wanted to do marketing only, because I was like, no, not anymore. Not anymore. So
That's good. That's
that
good.
was a general perspective. Just because you are from commerce, you should go for finance. No,
Correct.
you can change that.
You can change.
MBA
So,
for.
but then that means, it's absolutely fine. Like a lot of people sometimes think like, SOP में लिखा था finance, तो end में वही करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, right? Whatever you write in SOPs
They are
to
not
get admission.
coming and checking. They are not coming and
Exactly.
checking first thing.
So
This
that's-
interview is not going out, right?
Yes.
Now the point is, the student themselves are not clear, and institutes understand this thing. That's why your
Correct.
first year they teach you everything.
Hmm.
It's not that like you have to choose your electives or anything in the
Correct.
first year. They give you option to study everything. You study operations, you study marketing, you study finance, you study everything in first year. Institutes also understand this thing, that pressure from outside, it looks
Correct.
like I want to do this.
Yes.
But when you are actually in the situation, then only you come to know that, okay, this is what I want to know. Even after first year, we are still having certain doubts, like whether
Correct.
I really want to do. So how can a student, when they are just like have to get into that institute, how can they decide at that particular point of time? And I don't think so that institute want a fixed rigid answer. Institute wants to see that how you think.
Yes.
Are you just going because are you just going because, okay, this is the seat, like this is the placements they offer? Are you
Correct.
just coming because of that, or are you actually have a goal plan? Yeah, that's what institute thinks, and it's really okay to change it. I'm still thinking.
That's nice.
So we
That's good.
think, yeah.
I like the honesty with which you said, because that's actually a fact. I see, I'm a computer engineer, so by default everybody thought I'm going to do an MBA in IT, but that was a big no. I want to go ahead for marketing. So no matter what you say in your interviews, it's not necessary. You have to live your life with that. So that's some amazing
that. And
inputs.
clarity is not there. That's the main point.
So that's okay to not be having that clarity, and you get the clarity with the way you progress ahead in the college, and the first year comes to an end. So that's amazing. So I love the discussion points and everything that we have had, and thank you so much, Simran, for being online with us, and wish you all the best for the second year, and let's hope you learn a little bit more Tamil in the second year.
Thank you.
Thank you.